Do you guys remember this set? I got some tracks from this set and from another set, and I'm thinking on get like bridge supports or girders or whatever the name is for this, and I need straight tracks, and I'm trying to do something. So today's video is gonna be kind of boring. If you want to skip it, go ahead and skip it. So I need trying to open the boxes and get some switches, curve tracks, and whatever I can find. For example, if you remember this set, the Cassia, the crane, I used to buy a lot of these custom Carlys from Cassia, out of Cassia, on eBay long time ago, and I still have some tracks, so I'm trying to find whatever I can use. Look at this stop and go track, it's really good. I can get some use out of it, and look at this, probably not this one, but I'm trying to get like curved tracks and straight tracks. See, look, 5 piece of curved tracks. Those tracks will be really good. And I have other boxes of the same set, so I don't use this for now, but I can do something later. But I definitely can use the only stop and go straight tracks, and the slope track I'm gonna leave it apart for now. And let's see. So we have one more box here. I already opened this, and I will take for now just the curve tracks and the stop and go tracks. I'm gonna put this apart. Here is another box. I have a lot of boxes, so I do not have a big table. I have two tables, I can put them together, but I will definitely do something interesting on the wall. That's what I'm thinking, trying to do something on the wall and use it on the table at the same time. And for now, like I said before, I just want to use the stop and go and curve tracks and all the from Cassia, the set, Cassia the crane set. These are the only parts I want to use for now. And I have here 4 stop and go tracks and another one somewhere around. And let me see, here is a never open Cassia the crane set, so I want to open this one too. I need the tracks, and probably I can use Cassia the crane later. And since I don't, probably you guys remember, I don't collect, I just buy and sell. But at the moment I'm just doing some videos, not selling a lot. Here's another stop and go, and we do something with Cassia later on. Okay, probably you remember this, the 6-in-1 Percy's builder set. I got a lot of parts from this set, so this is interesting. I will get a lot of straight tracks from here, either long straight tracks, half straight tracks, a quarter of the long track, you know, like 4-inch tracks and 2-inch tracks, and actually there is 1-inch tracks adapters for this set. Ah, look at that. There's a lot of parts. That's awesome. There are a lot of parts here. Look at that. Excellent. So I'm trying to assort. Look at this. cool. So we can do our elevation tracks. And here we have for the second or third or fourth level tracks, we can stack those bridge supports or track supports. You can put it on different levels. Here are tunnels. What are here? Switch tracks, curve tracks, slope tracks, and there's a lot. I will not open this video. It's gonna take me a long time. Look at this. Straight tracks, excellent. So there. Let me open another one. I have here another new, never open. So as you remember, I do not collect, and I used to buy and sell. So I don't care about the having this on box. Probably if you collect it, then it's good for you, but I need to use them. You know, it's the purpose of my videos is to use them and not worship these boxes. I don't find I used to keep it in a in a display if you're never gonna use it. But for me, it's just a business, you know. So I'm sorry guys, but I don't keep them. I used to buy and sell. Again, I'm saying this again and again, but since this I will not sell them anymore. I definitely want to use a lot of tracks, and I think we're going to do really interesting videos coming out soon. From these tracks, these tracks will be really useful for me. There's a lot of parts. That is a lot of parts. Definitely a lot of parts. Wow. So at the end we have straight tracks, short straight tracks. We have the tunnels right here with little bridges. What's this? Buffers, curved tracks. Those are the blue half sides, and here are the bridge supports or elevation track supports or girders, whatever you call it. We have like a 25 straight tracks. Look at this. These cross tracks are really interesting. I will definitely use them. Look at these tiny 1-inch tracks. We have more track supports and a lot of switch tracks, Y switch tracks, curved tracks from Petit Train. That's a lot. There are more and more and more. Wow, look at that short straight tracks. And this is what I like it. Girders or elevation tracks, supports. Look at this double deck curved track, tunnel. I don't know what you call it. It's kind of tunnel. And here are the slope curved tracks. There are a lot in here. Not a lot, like exactly, but there's a lot coming out of these boxes. Here are the another short curved tracks inside of the slope tracks. This will be a really interesting videos coming out soon. So I have a lot to assort, a lot of work to do. Well, anyways, guys, I knew this video will be really boring, but I have nothing else to upload for the moment. So I hope you like the next videos coming out soon. And that's it for today. Thank you.